Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we will find the section passwords, passkeys and accounts. Let's tap on it. So here we've got this personal section, and we have to tap on add account and choose Google. So we will begin this process with adding the Google account, and make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And then tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, and let's tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Right, and be patient. So here we've got the backup and storage info, so you can either turn on the backup or don't backup. It's completely up to you. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. So here in this personal section, we have to tap on the account and then tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Of course, if you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.